Welcome to Kids Leisure Time.
Today, we will explore animals from A to Z. We'll learn about their habitats, diets, types, and the sounds they make. Alligator. Alligator eats fish, birds, mammals. Lives in swamps, freshwater lakes, river. Alligator is a wild animal. Sounds. Bison. Bison eats grasses, leaves. Lives in prairies, grasslands, plains. Bison is wild animal. Sounds. Cat. Cat eats carnivore meat, fish. Lives in homes, urban areas. Cat is a pet. Sounds. Dog. Dog eats omnivore meat, kibble. Lives in homes, urban areas. Dog is a pet. Sounds. Elephant. Elephant eats herbivore grass, leaves. Lives in forests, savannas. Elephant is a wild animal. Sounds. Frog. Frog eats carnivore insects. Lives in ponds, wetlands. Frog is a wild animal. Sounds. Goat. Goat eats herbivore grass, hay. Lives in farms, mountains. Goat is a livestock. Sounds. Horse. Horse eats herbivore grass, hay. Lives in farms, stables. Horse is a working animal. Sounds. Iguana. Iguana eats herbivore leaves, fruits. Lives in terrariums, tropical areas. Iguana is a pet. Sounds. Jaguar. Jaguar eats carnivore meat. Lives in rainforests, jungles. Jaguar is a wild animal. Sounds. Kangaroo. Kangaroo eats herbivore grass, leaves. Lives in grasslands, forests. Kangaroo is a wild animal. Sounds. Lion. Lion eats carnivore meat. Lives in savannas, grasslands. Lion is a wild animal. Sounds. Monkey. Monkey eats omnivore fruits, insects. Lives in forests, jungles. Monkey is a wild animal. Sounds. Newt. Newt eats carnivore insects, worms. Lives in ponds, wetlands. Newt is a wild animal. Sounds. Owl. Owl eats carnivore small mammals. Lives in forests, mountains. Owl is a wild animal. Sounds. Penguin. Penguin eats fish, squid, krill. Lives in oceans. Penguin is a wild animal. Sounds. Quail. Quail eats omnivore seeds, insects. Lives in grasslands, woodlands. Quail is a wild animal. Sounds. Rabbit. Rabbit eats herbivore grass, vegetables. Lives in homes, burrows. Rabbit is a pet. Sounds. Sheep. Sheep eats herbivore grass, hay. Lives in farms, grasslands. Sheep is a livestock. Sounds. Tiger. Tiger eats carnivore meat. Lives in forests, grasslands. Tiger is a wild animal. Sounds. Uinta ground squirrel. Uinta ground squirrel eats seeds, flowers, insects. Lives in mountain meadows, rocky slopes. Uinta ground squirrel is a wild animal. Sounds. Vulture. Vulture eats carrion dead animals. Lives in mountains, deserts. Vulture is a wild animal. Sounds. Walrus. Walrus eats clams, mussels, snails. Lives in Arctic oceans. Walrus is a wild animal. Sounds. Xenopus. Xenopus eats insects, worms, small fish. Lives in freshwater bodies in sub-Saharan Africa. Xenopus is a wild animal. Sounds. Yak. Yak eats grasses, lichens, moss. Lives in mountains. Yak is a working animal livestock. Sounds. Zebra. Zebra eats grasses. Lives in savannas, grasslands. Zebra is a wild animal. Sounds.
Don't forget to hit the like button, share with your friends, and subscribe to stay up to date with all the excitement.